Hi, I'm Yuan and I'm a third-year PhD student at the University of Oxford. My work focuses on developing methods and recommender systems to curb the growing issue of antibiotic resistance by optimizing antibiotics prescriptions in hospitals. Today's presentation and poster at MLHC will focus on utilizing natural language processing to categorize domain-specific medical free text and electronic patient records to understand the working source of infections. We will compare and show the need to process free text entries when apparent similar information is represented in the patient records for medical codes such as ICD-10 or SNOMED. I will then show you our approach to the classification task and present the model performances and potential use cases. Antibiotic resistance is highly prevalent globally and associated with nearly 5 million deaths per year, projected to only increase within the next decades. Current prescription principles likely accelerate the formation of resistances faster than necessary. To improve antibiotic stewardship and optimize prescriptions, we need better ways of modeling the effective use of drugs by type, duration, and dosing. Knowing the reason for a prescription is crucial for building accurate models, as treatment type and duration vary wildly between one-dose prophylaxis and long pneumonia cases. These reasons or indications can be deduced from ICD-10 codes and electronic patient records or extracted from free text indications recorded with prescriptions. We typically use ICD-10 discharge codes to infer potential working diagnosis and infection sources, despite their limitations in reflecting real-time physician judgment. Passing free text fields recorded at prescription time can reveal the actual working diagnosis. Leveraging the temporal advantages of free text indications, we have developed models to effectively categorize this data and boost antibiotic modeling accuracy. When we further compare labeled free text to ICD-10 codes, we can see that free texts are also more granular. The plot shown compares infection sources extracted from free text on the left-hand side and from ICD-10 codes on the right-hand side for about 800,000 patients. We can see that many sources of infections classified as unspecific by diagnosis codes can actually be explained by free text. With the label text, we then trained and fine-tuned 3 different models as shown in the table for multi-label classification. The bioclinical BERT model, fine-tuned for our task and data, performs best on our 2 held-out datasets of 800 exclusively unseen and 2,000 random words. When tested on 2,000 randomly sampled words, it reached an F1 score of 0.96 on average across the classes. The scores range from 0.81 for ear, nose, and throat due to its low prevalence, up to 0.98 for respiratory, which was the most common label. In conclusion, our shown methods are sufficiently accurate to classify complex free text medical fields. We've shown that free text reveals more information about working diagnosis than medical codes can. These tools, while used here for infectious diseases, have broad applicability to other areas that utilize electronic health records and free text. The methods presented could also be used to categorize other free text fields, such as chief complaints, the primary reason patients visit emergency departments, providing insights into common health issues and trends.